always just one, dog.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday. Mustangs at Daytona is happening. Got the Cobra here. Cobra's looking good. And I talked to Andrew and I said if he had some burners, I'd let him do a little rip in the Cobra. So we'll see what happens there. Should be interesting. So yeah, let's ride. One, two, three, go! Definitely got air. Yep, it's the other black one. These ones have to go in your car because they're taller.
Not the engine.
Put some new shoes on her.
That'd be good. Yeah, it works.
Are you sure it's not going to tuck in that much?
This is about what it is in a while. Come on, y'all make some noise, y'all make some noise, y'all. Bring it back. Let's go, baby.
want me to go to for coolant temp? Is it on the gauge?
Yeah, it'll be on the left top.
Where do you want me to shut it down?
Like 215.
215?
Yeah.
Go with it. Is limiter okay? Hey, Andrew.
I don't want to blow it up tonight, you know what I mean? You can hit it a couple times,
Like
but
tap, 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 tap.
yeah, just
not live on it.
just remember that I got to drive it home tonight. I'm not here to win it. I'm just here to look cool. Here, let me make sure.
I assume traction control is not a thing and all that.
Yeah, you see, right here is your coolant temp,
Yep.
and then the bottom one's your IAT.
Yeah, it'll cool down though.
All right, send it, baby.
Oh, okay, my bad. Man, you sit there pretty hard there, buddy.
It was 216 when I let off.
I think it's his car.
I'd say she's
No,
a...
it's his car.
Oh shit! You drove your car like this.
He said at 215.
Here, we gotta push it out.
That's it.
Here.
It'll start. It's camp.
Yeah.
It is. Come on.
Rev it hard.
There you go, buddy. There's no block.
Well, he didn't make your shit puke.
What's that?
I said he didn't make it puke, so it's all right.
Yeah, I'm proud.
She's good. You didn't even do pretty cool in the Fox body, did.
Dude, there's not even any mud or oil or
Good for
anything.
another.
Hey, open up the trunk and then get a video when he opens the trunk.
Yeah, here, you want to hit it for me?
It was definitely shooting flames back there.
It was. I saw it like lighting up. I was like, oh, dude. I'm sorry. I think it's a flex if you do a burnout with the top down.
That was pretty fun.
Yo, he's just one dog.
Oh, hell yeah.
Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. Yo. Let's make some noise for Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle, y'all. He said which car? He won it in the 2003 Mustang Cobra, y'all.
Guys, come.
Shit for all that.
Yeah. Only at Mustangs at Daytona, baby.
Chop on it.
All right.
Cut it right in half. Put the eyes in here. She's thirsty.
Perfect. She still had some left in her too, baby. Minty.